I, Uma Agrawal, welcome you all to the online lecture series organized by Gokhale Education Society's BYK College of Commerce. I am sure that everybody had attended the previous lecture on bills of exchange. Today, we will be going into the topic of computer in accounting. The use of computer in accounting would be looked into in this topic and lecture. Computer have become part and parcel of the accounting industry. Today, we cannot imagine accounting without the help of computers. There are various uses of computers in accounting, ranging from helping customers to make financial decisions in the company. The computer in accounting are used in recording, summarizing, sorting, retrieving, storing the financial transactions, and for generating the report of analysis. The accountants undergo special training for learning the essential softwares of the accounting process. Therefore, computers are an essential part of accounting. Before computers are introduced into accounting, the bookkeepers are responsible for handling all the financial transactions within the organizations with the innovation in technology. We are able to provide machines that were capable of performing the required accounting function. For example, a billing machine which was combination of a typewriter and many calculators was able to record the various transactions that the customers did in the organization and to obtain the bills. The accountant has to enter the name of the customer and the purchased items, and the bill machine will store the record similar to the bookkeeper. Concept of computerized accounting system. The use of computer and information technology has revolutionized the modern business concept and decision making. Many accounting reports are required for making decisions. An effectively designed accounting report greatly helps the decision-making process. The computer system has a specific software application that helps in the creation of the report. In this computer application, the accountant is required to fill some required columns, and the computer application will generate the report based on standard templates. The company or firm prepares its reports as per generally accepted accounting principle. Next, features, need and features of computerized accounting system. First, integrated data and information. In computerized accounting system, accurate, up-to-date business information within limited time can be kept. The system is designed user-friendly, automated, and integrated for all business purposes like purchase, sale, finance, payroll, manufacturing, etc. Such system business operation are easy and cost effective. Second, accuracy and speed. After recording the business transactions, it generates the various information and reports automatically, which are accurate and fast and done with various accounting customized templates and software. In manual accounting system, as many people do the job and the volume of transaction is quite large, such information and reports are likely to be distorted and unreliable and inaccurate. It also prevents clerical errors and omission. Third feature, quick decision making. This system generates real-time comprehensive. MIS means Management Information System reports and ensures access to complete and critical information instantly for quick decision, plan, and activities. Fourth feature, modern and integrated. Various financial statements and activities like sales, finance, purchase, trial balance, profit and loss accounts, etc. can be derived at any point within seconds. It saves time and energy in recording business transactions than manual accounting. Fifth feature is immediate availability of books of accounts. All accounts, books and registers like cash book, bank book, purchase and sales registers can be readily available at any point of time. Next, security. Secure data and information can be kept confidential as compared to traditional accounting system. User can create multiple user security control for various users. Third, seventh, transparency. It generates the reports with consistency and accuracy, minimizes errors, which makes the system more reliable and transparent. Grouping of accounts. In any organization, the main unit of classification is the major head, which is further divided into minor heads. Each minor head may have number of subheads. After classification of accounts into various groups, namely major, minor, and subheads, and allotting codes to each account, these are programmed into the computer system. Normally, ledger accounts are classified under groups as per requirement. These groups are further classified in subgroups for convenience, use, and requirement. Importance of computerized accounting system. First importance is automation. This system is better than manual because it provides faster data entry, quicker processing, faster generation of reports needed for analysis. It can automate the process of collating of the bills in no time. Second, multi-user facilities. It enables the businessman to access accounts either online or offline with user control outside or within the office. It also facilitates big business houses to enter data at various places and by various operators simultaneously. Accuracy. There is an old proverb that begins with the statement, "To error is human." Humans do make errors. An absent decimal point or the addition of one or two zeros can drastically alter the accuracy of a financial report. This system is designed to minimize such blunders. Additions, subtractions, and other calculations are performed by the machines. This ensures that only the correct total is listed at the end of general ledger. Next importance is speed. It is capable of offering quick and quality reporting because of its speed and accuracy, reduction in paper work than manual accounting. A computer is always going to be faster than a human being. And when it comes to accounts, they are faster than ever before. Statements, reports, analysis, and everything needed can be created at the press of a button. So access can be achieved to accounts in quick time. Next, reduction in cost. Using computer system is cost saving than other forms of data filling, due to it being overall more efficient. As the work is automatically done and all reports are kept in one area, everything is completed quickly, save massive time. So also saves money on various accounting fees, report creation, paper filing, and still make, say, your account are in perfect order. Your account are in perfect order. Next, systematic and up-to-date records. It always makes easier to look at the accounts and customers' account on the computer rather than trying to read handwriting that is impossible to read. One can arrange them in a way that in suitable and quickly viewed data sheet in quick time. Thus, it ensures systematic and up-to-date financial records. Huge storage capacity. This system stores accounting records of years together, while manual accounting system requires maintaining of books and registers for each year, making accounting records in a huge volume. Compact. Financial information can be stored on the hard disk, and if required, backup can be stored on external storage devices, which requires very little space, and compactly voluminous information can be stored, unlike manual accounting, which requires more space and volume. Last point of importance is transferability or sharing information. Business organization can share the financial information to interslide parties either by printout or soft copies by pen drive or internet, as the data is digitally stored and easily transferable from one place to another or person to person. With this, I conclude this lecture. In today's lecture, we have gone through the concepts, features, and importance of computer in accounting system. In coming lectures, we will go through the other concepts of computerized accounting system. I am hopeful and confident that the basis of the system has been thoroughly understood by you all. Thank all of you for your presence and participation. I also thank Principal Dr. Shri Ram Kulkarni sir and in charge Vice Principal Shri Praveen Mule sir for guidance, support and opportunity. Thank you.